Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the latest news and chart data to help you make informed trading decisions. Today, September 12th, we're focusing on ETHUSD, Ethereum, and its current market behavior. Recent news surrounding Ethereum has been a mixed bag, with some bullish sentiments from Vitalik Buterin and positive news about the network scalability. However, macroeconomic factors and concerns about the crypto market's overall health have dampened some investor optimism, leading to a recent price decline. Let's delve into the charts and see what technical analysis reveals. First, we'll take a look at the daily chart. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that ETHUSD has been trending upwards over the past several months. This upward trend is evident in the series of higher highs and higher lows, indicating a bullish sentiment in the market. However, the recent price dip suggests that the bullish momentum might be weakening, and we could be seeing a potential trend reversal. We'll look at the hourly and 15-minute charts for more clues. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. The 1-hour chart confirms the recent bearish sentiment, as we can see a series of lower highs and lower lows. This pattern suggests that the price is losing momentum and could continue to decline in the near term. Furthermore, the 1-hour chart shows that ETHUSD is trading below its 20-period moving average, which is another bearish indicator. We'll now move to the 15-minute chart to analyze the very short-term price movements. The 15-minute chart reveals a volatile price action, with short-term fluctuations that are hard to predict. However, we can see that ETHUSD has been consolidating around the $2,350 mark, with some resistance at $2,360 and support around $2,340. We'll need to monitor this range closely for any breakouts or breakdowns that could indicate a change in the short-term trend. Let's go back to the daily chart to identify key price levels. On the daily chart, the most significant resistance level is around $2,400, which is the previous all-time high. If ETHUSD breaks above this level, it could signal a strong bullish breakout and a potential continuation of the upward trend. However, the $2,300 mark is a crucial support level, and a break below this level could trigger a more significant price decline. We'll keep a close eye on these levels and see how the price reacts around them. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to discuss potential trading opportunities. The 1-hour chart shows a potential short-selling opportunity if the price continues to decline below the recent support level of $2,340. However, we need to be cautious as the market is volatile and could reverse direction quickly. Alternatively, a bullish breakout above the current resistance level of $2,360 could indicate a short-term buying opportunity. We'll need to look for confirmation signals, such as increased volume and momentum, before entering any trades. Now, let's switch to the 15-minute chart to discuss the very short-term trading opportunities. The 15-minute chart shows a range-bound price action, with some short-term trading opportunities around the support and resistance levels. Traders can consider buying ETHUSD if the price breaks above $2,360, but a breakout below $2,340 could signal a short-selling opportunity. It's important to remember that these short-term trades involve higher risk and require careful observation and risk management. Returning to the daily chart, it's essential to note the potential for a trend reversal. If ETHUSD fails to break above the resistance level of $2,400 and instead begins to decline below the $2,300 support level, it could indicate a bearish trend reversal. In this scenario, we could see a more significant price decline in the medium term. However, if ETHUSD manages to break above the resistance level of $2,400, it could signal a bullish continuation and a potential surge in the medium term. We'll need to watch for volume and momentum changes to confirm either scenario. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we can see that the price is currently trading below its 20-period moving average. If ETHUSD manages to climb back above this moving average, it could indicate a shift in momentum and a potential short-term bullish reversal. However, if the price remains below the moving average, it could signal a continuation of the bearish trend. We'll need to monitor the price action around the moving average for any significant changes. On the 15-minute chart, we need to watch for any breakout or breakdown from the current consolidation range. A break above the resistance level of $2,360 could signal a short-term bullish breakout and a potential rally in the short term. Conversely, a break below the support level of $2,340 could indicate a short-term bearish breakdown and a potential decline in the short term. We'll need to watch for any breakout signals, such as increased volume and momentum, to confirm either scenario. In conclusion, the current market sentiment surrounding ETHUSD is mixed, with both bullish and bearish factors influencing the price action. The daily chart shows a potential trend reversal, while the 1-hour and 15-minute charts indicate a bearish sentiment in the short term. Key price levels to watch are the resistance level of $2,400, the support level of $2,300, and the 20-period moving average on the 1-hour chart. A break above $2,400 could signal a strong bullish breakout, while a break below $2,300 could trigger a more significant price decline. We'll also need to monitor the price action around the 20-period moving average for any significant changes in momentum. In the short term, the 15-minute chart suggests a range-bound price action with short-term trading opportunities around the support and resistance levels. Traders should be cautious and manage their risk carefully when entering any trades. Stay tuned to explain the charts for further analysis and updates on ETHUSD. As we discussed earlier, the 1-hour chart is showing a potential short-selling opportunity if the price continues to decline below the recent support level of $2,340. However, it's crucial to be cautious, as the market is volatile and a bullish reversal could occur quickly. We need to look for confirmation signals, such as increased volume and momentum, before entering any short trades. A break above the $2,360 resistance level could indicate a short-term buying opportunity. It's essential to watch for confirmation signals, such as increased volume and momentum, before entering any long trades. We can zoom in on the recent price action on the 1-hour chart to see these levels more clearly. Now let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart shows a volatile price action, with short-term fluctuations that are difficult to predict. However, we can see that ETHUSD has been consolidating around the $2,350 mark. Traders can consider buying ETHUSD if the price breaks above the $2,360 resistance level. However, if the price breaks below the $2,340 support level, it could signal a short-selling opportunity. Keep in mind that short-term trades involve higher risk and require close observation and effective risk management.